Hey to all employers, mom and sir, please allow me to introduce myself to you. My name is Paula Ann Morada. I am 40 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am married and I have one 8 years old baby girl and I live in the Philippines. I have 2 years experience working here before in the Philippines as a caretaker slash nanny. My main duties and responsibilities is taking care of the baby, preparing them their food, being organized in the house, cleaning the house, doing the ironing, laundry, taking care of the two dogs, marketing, cooking, and sometimes helping them with their assignments. I have also 3 years experience in Oman. I serve 6 family members. My main duties and responsibilities is taking care of the 2 years old baby girl, preparing her nutritious food and snacks in the morning, at lunch, and also for the dinner, giving her the milk, taking care of her and taking shower. I'm also play with her indoor and outdoor activities such as jumping, running, hide and seek, and more kinds of activities. I also teach her how to familiarize with colors, numbers, memorizing the alphabets, and also counting numbers. I also help her to draw, to sing, and sometimes we do dancing, even if I don't know how to dance. And I also doing the household works such as cleaning the house, being organized also, doing the laundry, also ironing, and sometimes gardening. Mom and sir, if you choose me to be your worker, I promise to do my best as I can. I am a hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, and I have an initiative when it comes to work. And I'm always willing to learn, especially in cooking. I'm also love taking care of babies. That's why you don't have to worry. I will treat your children as my own also. Mom and sir, thank you for watching my video. I hope you consider me to work in your family. Thank you and God bless.